We are again.
Bulletin. For the
Camera,
following
don't you dare do that to me.
Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service at Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Armstrong County in West Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Clarion County in West Central Pennsylvania until 12:45 p.m. At 12:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Reimersburg,
There's
moving
enough.
east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Reimersburg, New Bethlehem, Hawthorne, Distant. Seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. The forecast.